Hey guys, now we are going to do question number 6. Let's see what the question says. Consider a circular coil of wire carrying current I forming a magnetic dipole. The magnetic flux through an infinite plane that contains the circular coil and excluding the circular coil area is given by phi1. The magnetic flux through the area of circular coil area is given by phi naught. Which of the following options is correct? So let's solve this. As we can see in this figure, the as magnetic field line of ring will form closed loop. That means phi1 is going to be equal to minus of phi naught because the magnetic field lines going inside is equal to the magnetic field lines coming out. So hence A is going to be our answer.